Guys, so I just wanted to start off by telling you in the previous video, I've shown the tracking widgets you get when you sign up for the free Camelot subscription, which allows you to have a complete picture and analyze a single strategy you created. But in this video, I will be showing you the compare and inspiration widgets you get with the same subscription. So let's get started with the compare widgets, and you're going to press compare here. Then you will see these widgets at first. So the first one would be strategies comparison, which is the widget that shows you how your strategies differ in terms of overall invested value, current value, assets allocation, performance over different time frames. You can use the scroll bar on the obviously to see all of your strategies all at once. Basically, this widget is a widget that helps you easily understand what strategy has the biggest or lowest exposure in a specific asset category, as well as which one is delivering the best or worst performance. It's very easy to read and shows you all the details you need in one place. So let's go down to strategies performance, and this widget gives you the ability to go even deeper into the performance of the different strategies, as you can understand how they performed daily and basically how they performed overall. So on the top left side, you'll see this plus sign, and you can select the strategies you want that will be displayed on the graph, and that you obviously want to compare. So I'm going to click here on 2023 if markets recover, and 2023 in case of a deep recession. And as you can see, all these strategies are shown all together on the graph. And if I move my mouse, it basically gives me a pop-up window of what exactly happened on that specific date, and shows you obviously the overall value and performance of each strategy. So on the right side, you can change the time frame, obviously, for displaying your strategy's performance, or you can choose a preset time frame from the drop-down menu, and you can click on the calendar, pick a specific date, or pick a specific time frame as well. So that's really cool. I think that's a very cool widget to have because, again, it shows you some really good information all at once and shows you not only just general information, but information about your strategies and how they compare with each other. So let's go down, or let's go up to the inspiration widget. So inspiration's up here. You're going to click on that. And then you'll be taken to the Stock Explorer and Crypto Explorer widgets. As you can see here, Stock Explorer and then Crypto Explorer down here. And basically, the stock and crypto are the most used assets by the Merlin investor community. So we designed two separate widgets where you can find a list of assets for each category having the highest combination of traded volumes and market cap. So for each asset, you can find a ton of information. For example, last price, 52-week high and low, volume, and market capitalization, etc. So a ton of information that you will need and is helpful for you. Then you can click on the actual asset and be directed into a separate window to the specific page of each asset. You'll find a ton of information and specific details and market sentiment about that specific asset. Obviously, you don't see this happening in my video because I'm just recording the platform window. But if you try this at home, you will see that you will be directed into a different window and it will tell you everything possible about that one asset. And if you want to know more, just head on and make sure you check out my video that's named How to Navigate the Market section, and it will show you exactly what to expect. So if we scroll down, we'll go to my favorite widget, which is the technical indicator widget. This widget, like the Reddit one, I'm going to show you in a minute. Many others I'll show in the following videos, as they belong to a different subscription package, gives you the ability to navigate a specific source of information by easily searching for the name of the asset you're interested to evaluate. So here we're going to search in the search asset search bar. We're going to put, excuse me, Tesla, and then we're going to pick the first one. And then you can see that Tesla was added here. So alternatively, there's also a drop-down menu that I'm going to show you in just a second here that allows you to see the information for those assets that are trending within the Merlin investor community, or you can filter based on your favorite assets you previously tagged here. So this widget specifically shows you the market sentiment for that specific asset with a clear indication about what the market confidence suggestion is, like buy or sell. The overall indications come from the opinions of different experts. Below, you can see how many are neutral, bullish, or bearish about that asset. So on the right side of the name, you'll see, obviously, as you can see here for each one, you'll see there's a drop-down menu where you can select a preset time frame. So you can see how the opinions have changed over time. So here for Meta, right now it's at 1 day, it says buy. And then if I go to 1 month ago, it was a sell. It's telling me to sell. So a month ago, it was a bearish, and now it's bullish. Again, one of my favorite widgets. And if we scroll down to the Reddit feed, also here you have the option to either search for a specific asset or to use a preset filter that I showed you right before in the technical indicator widget. Based on the assets you selected, you'll see a preview of all the posts on the Reddit feed referring to those assets you searched or picked. So then if you click on the specific post in a separate window, you'll be directed to the Reddit website where you can actually read the full entire post. Again, you don't see this happening because I'm recording just a platform window, but if you're at home, you'll see that you'll be directed into the Reddit website where you can read the whole article. So with my previous video and with this one, you've seen all the widgets you get with the Camelot free subscription, being either the tracking, compare, inspirational widgets. So you're now ready to study the market, create your own strategies, and track their performance in order to take full control of your investments, which is the goal, right? So if you found this helpful, just make sure you subscribe to our page and you stay tuned for more so you get the maximum benefit of our platform.